Country, Scotland. What like is it? It's a peat bog. It's a dark forest. It's a cauldron of lie, a sod pan, or a coal mine. If you're gey lucky, it's a bonny bricht beer meadow, or a park of kye. And maybe it's a field of stains. It's a tenement, or a merchant's hall. It's a Hoose, or a humble cot. Princes Street, or Daddy's Market. It's a fistful of fish, or a pickle of oatmeal. It's a queen's banquet, or roast meats and junkets. It depends. It depends. I dinna ken what like your Scotland is. Here's mine's. National flower, the thistle. National pastime, nostalgia. National weather, smar, har, drizzle, snow. National bird, the craw, the Corbie. La corbeille, le corbeau, moi. How me? Eh? 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 Voice like a choked laugh. Ragbag o a bird in me black duds, o angles and elbows and broken oxter feathers, black beady een and me executioner's hood. No bra, but I think I hear sort of black glamour. That no put you in mind of a skating minister, or on the fit of the parish priest, the dirty beast. My nests rickle of sticks. I live on lamb's eyes in road accidents. Oh, see, after the battle, man, it's a pure feast. My eyes are our big even for my belly. In lean times of peace, my belly thinks my throat's been cut.